Hello friends, in today's video we will learn about measuring the width, or you can say not the width, it's like dimension or dia of the prepared membrane. Okay, so here in front of us we have the prepared membrane, so this is a biochar based membrane. Okay, and also here we are preparing one mixture, okay, with the help of PVDF and other fillers like LDH. Okay, and here in front of us we have poured the solution of the prepared homogeneous mixture. So now we are going to start the casting, and here I have set the dimension using the cutter. So this is my scale, so I have set this around 0.30, okay, which is 300 millimeters. So now I will start. Okay, so first of all we have to make sure this, as you have seen in my previous video, we have to make sure this is here. So now we will start coating. Okay, so you can see now the solution is moving forward with the lever. Okay, now we will transfer this spread solution to the coagulation bath. You can see here the membrane is leaving the surface. The notion of making this video is to show you when this is with the same dimension. So we will see that the prepared membrane is of the same dimension or the dimension has been reduced. Usually after drying, the dimension reduces. So we will check this with the help of Vernier Caliper. To start the Vernier Caliper, we will just press on here. Now we will start measuring the dimension of the prepared membrane. So you can see here this is around 0.34 millimeters. Okay, so you can convert this into centimeters. Similarly, this is around 0.25 millimeters, and this one is a commercial membrane. So you can see this is around 0.37 millimeters. And if you see here, so the eye should be around 47 millimeters. Okay, so let us verify again. So okay, so this is nearly, because we measured it wrong, so this is nearly 0.45, 0.46. okay, so you can see this is validated because it should be 47 millimeters. Okay, and I think this is not the dia, this is the pore size. Okay, or yeah, okay, so for the commercial one this is around 0.45 millimeters. Okay, and similarly we can weigh we can assess the dimension of the prepared membrane using the Vernier Caliper. So guys, here we were talking about the thickness of the membrane, not the diameter. So I was using the Vernier Caliper to measure the thickness of the membrane basically, not the diameter of the membrane. Okay.